Hey guys, it's Miss Menchie and welcome back to my channel. So for today, as part of our preparations for the New Year's Eve, I created this Filipino version of food salad. Aside from this kind of celebration, you can also create this food platter during birthdays, also if you do have dates, or even just a simple occasion with your friends or your family. And also, what's good about this one, because it's Filipino version, the ingredients are very easy to find sa grocery stores. So yeah, you can easily make this one. So without further ado, are you ready guys? I am so ready. Let's get started. Watching. I hope meron kayong natutunan. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and also please follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook and Instagram. And that's it guys. Again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!